Welcome to the Busy Vegan Mom. Today I'm going to show you what I eat as a healthy plant-based vegan. But before I do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. Today we're going to start with a lovely sweet potato oatmeal that I literally pretty much made up, and it turned out amazing. I heated up 2 small sweet potatoes in the microwave, 5 minutes on each side. Well, since these were smaller, I actually did maybe 4 minutes on each side. And then I put in a couple different spices into the blender, and I will link those below. Once my puree was nice and blended and tasted to my satisfaction, I added it together with my oat mixture and just mixed it really well. This is what it looks like before you turn up the heat. I added some pink salt as well. Like I said, I'll link this full recipe below in the description if you'd like to try this at home. It did not disappoint. I added more cinnamon and monk fruit sweetener. I took a little shot of this Forager Project probiotic cashew yogurt. It tastes so good, and Berkeley loves them just so much. And here I go performing some sort of crazy acrobatics, leaning all the way over, stretching into my side body there, channeling my inner yoga teacher. To pour my oats into the bowl. And then I thought these could really use some cacao nibs, and they tasted so good on top. Like you can see by my excitement that they were so good. And of course I had to get my blueberry consumption in, so I poured a ton of organic frozen blueberries on top, and I went outside, grounded down, connected with nature, took in some sun, some vitamin D, and ate my oats. Later that day, I had some water, well, all throughout the day, really. I like to add these Aussie Trace mineral drops into my water. I went to a Aldi's for a quick shopping trip, ate some grapes in the parking lot. No, they were not washed. No, I do not care. Here is my little haul, some essentials for the weekend to carry us into the first of the week, some grapes, some fall apples, sweet potatoes, some more almond milk. It is the cheapest of the plant milks. Some more items for Berkeley, and some lovely peppermint mocha coffee items. This is how I get my iodine intake, by eating some nori seaweed. And for my lunch, I made chocolate oat cakes and broccoli. I eat broccoli almost with every meal, it seems. My chocolate of choice for my oat cakes today is going to be EarthChimp protein mix. It's an organic vegan protein powder that is all wholesome, no yucky ingredients, all clean. Blend this up and put it on my griddle, and made these lovely chocolate pancakes. These are so yummy. Just a banana, cup of oats, cup of almond milk or whatever plant milk. Add your 2 tablespoons of chocolate of choice. Yeah, so good. And of course I've got my broccoli. And then I just end up putting this all on a plate, and I had to taste the batter like I always do. It was so good. Literally flipping pancakes with a knife because I don't know where my pancake flipper was at. And here's my beautiful plate, along with my favorite blue agave sriracha. I'm waiting for you, Yellowbird. Come find me. I'm ready to do a deal. Let's work together. I will just show your product to the world like I always do. And yeah, here is my next meal. This is my dinner. I actually was eating my newest obsession for this meal, which is hummus on spelt sourdough bread, along with some sauerkraut on top. You literally just toast the bread. This bread is so wholesome. I find it at Natural Grocers. It's barely any ingredients at all. Toast the bread for about 5 minutes on 350. Add some yummy oil-free hummus on top, and then some sauerkraut. This is very healthy sauerkraut as well. No preservatives, no nothing. Some more broccoli. And of course, I have to get my fruit in, and I like to start a lot of meals with an apple. So I'm chopping up my apple and putting it all on the plate. Look at the colors. This is beautiful, and it's just like my favorite meal right now. Then I've got my leftovers, my acorn squash and chickpea soup. I'll link the video above for you to check it out if you haven't already. So literally dunked my head back, eating the rest of my soup. And then I made my favorite nighttime latte. I will link the video above for that as well. Super healthy, turmeric, cacao, everything good for you, ashwagandha, all of the goodies. Again, I'll link the video above so you can check it out. If you are enjoying my videos, if you're enjoying learning what I eat and how to eat like a healthy vegan, consider going and supporting my channel further on buymeacoffee.com/thebusyveganmom. I do upload videos every Monday and Friday. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. Make sure to hit the like button. It truly helps out with my algorithm. See you guys next time.